8 space facts that will terrify and amaze you at the same time. The expanding sun. Did you know that the sun is constantly using nuclear fusion to combine hydrogen and helium together to keep itself burning? But its hydrogen is not infinite, and as it gets used, the sun gets hotter. The sun will get so hot eventually that our atmosphere will be burned away, and our oceans will boil and evaporate. Once the sun's hydrogen is completely gone, it will expand into a red giant and consume the Earth once and for all. Speed of light. Everyone loves imagining themselves flying through the galaxy at the speed of light, but the reality is a little less fun and a lot more fatal. When coming in contact with an object moving at that speed, hydrogen atoms convert into radioactive particles that could easily destroy the crew of a starship and ruin electronics in seconds. It doesn't seem like so much fun now, does it? The Moon. Did you know that the Moon gets about 4 centimeters farther away from the Earth every year? We know it does not seem like much, but in the future, this could have devastating effects on our planet. The gravitational field of the Earth should be enough to keep the Moon from spiraling into space. But the increasing distance between the two will gradually slow down the Earth's rotation to a point where a single day will take longer than a month, and the ocean tides would remain locked in place. Black holes. Black holes are superdense regions of space with a gravitational pull so strong that they trap light and warp time. You'll be terrified to know that a small black hole in our solar system would throw planets out of orbit and tear the sun into pieces. If this didn't scare you, then what we are about to say definitely will. Black holes are not stationary, they move. They hurtle across the galaxy at high speeds, leaving trails of destruction in their wake. Venus. We know what you are thinking. Venus got its name from the Roman goddess of love, how can it be terrifying? You might find this unbelievable, but Venus is perhaps the most hellish planet in our solar system. The surface temperature is nearly 500 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure is 90 times that of our planet, Earth. And there is constant sulfuric acid rain. In short, landing on Venus would end you in minutes. We don't know why is Venus so romanticized. Alien life. We know that the universe is massive. And old, like really old. So, there is a possibility of other planets similar to Earth evolving life. We haven't found solid evidence or traces of this, but there is also no evidence that denies the possibility of this. So, we'll take the chance. We actually don't know what is scarier, the fact that we may not be the only ones in the universe or the possibility that we are. Dark matter. We know only a tiny bit about our universe. We have only seen 5% of the universe, and the rest that we haven't seen or discovered is called dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is the mass that we can't see or find in space, but we know it's there because of its effects on the behavior of its surroundings. And even less is known about dark energy. The true nature of this is mostly unknown. Solar flares. Despite the occasional sunburn, the sun has always provided us with warmth and light. But don't let that fool you. The sun is capable of shooting out massive bursts of solar radiation at random. It is unlikely that they will directly cause any threat to life on Earth, but these solar flares are capable of producing electromagnetic pulses that can wipe out power grids, meddle with radio communications, and render technology